Hola everyone, my name is Zherah and I'm so excited to be here. Today we are learning to make a kale and arugula salad, greens from our garden, topped with a yummy Catalina dressing that is very easy to make at home. ¿Sabías que Catalina dressing was discovered in Catalonia, the region of Spain where Catalan is spoken? There, people often mix sweet and savory flavors together to make a unique combination. Bueno, vamos a continuar. To start, you will need a leafy green for your salad. I'm using kale and arugula, but you can use lettuce or spinach if that's what you have. With me, I have cucumber, tomato, a bell pepper, an avocado, and for my protein, I'm using chickpeas. Feel free to add whatever you like to your salad to make it delicious for you. For the Catalina dressing, you'll need ketchup, mustard, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and chili powder. Now that we have our ingredients, we can begin. Give your greens a nice rinse in water, then dry the leaves. Place them in a bowl and massage with a little olive oil. This makes the greens more tender and flavorful. This step is optional. Take your sliced cucumber, tomato, bell pepper, avocado, and protein and place them on top of your greens. Use a small jar or container to mix the dressing. Add a 1/4 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, one tablespoon of mustard, three tablespoons of vinegar, two, three. A 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Oh, there's more. Now, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and that's all of our ingredients. Now, you can give it a nice stir with a spoon, or you can shake it. Whew, okay, I think this is good. Alrighty. Now look at our dressing. Make sure you taste it so it's not missing anything. Nice and tangy. Okay. Now let's add our dressing to our salad. Drizzle the Catalina over your salad, and then you can dig in. I hope you've enjoyed making a fresh kale and arugula salad using Catalina dressing with me. My name is Zherah y gracias por tu participación. Adios.